Hey team, I'm really excited to show you your first prayer tool. So if you go in your Jeremiah bag, you will find an LED candle. I love candles. I love that we light them every week at church. I light mine at home. So this is one just for you that you can use however you'd like. I'm going to give you just a few ideas of how you might use them. So the first thing we'll do is turn it on. So on the bottom of your candle, you'll see this little on-off switch. And what I like to do is when I flip that switch, I like to say, "Let there be light." Just like God said in the story of creation. God called the light day and the darkness night and called it all good. Watch the flame. One thing you can do is it flickers or it pulses, and you'll see it better on yours than you will on mine, is just focus on that flame. Take some deep breaths in and out. Ready? Focusing on the flame can really help your deep breathing and help you clear your mind. So feel free to do some more and pause the video or try it out later. Another thing you can do is think of what the prophet Isaiah said. So during some really hard times, Isaiah said, "The people who walked in darkness have seen a great light." God's message brought hope and courage, and we can think of this light as hope and a message of courage. And maybe tell God what brings us hope today. What are you grateful for? I am grateful for the blueberries growing in front of my house. Another thing you can do with your light is think about what John the Baptist said. So John the Baptist told people that Jesus was the true light of the world who would give light to everyone. Jesus showed God's love to all people. Who in your world could use some extra love and care right now? Tell God about them. Another thing you can do, and this one you don't need your candle for, but I think of it when I think of candles and light, is you take your hands and you rub them together. And you want to rub them together pretty fast so they get really warm. And when you feel that warmth, put it on your heart. Oh, feel it. Feel that warmth. And take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Imagine that warmth as love filling up your heart. Take more deep breaths. And just imagine being filled with God's love. The final suggestion I have for using your candle is to sing songs about light. So you can use any of your favorite songs. One of my favorites is "This Little Light of Mine." So to close off this video, I'm going to sing just the first verse. And if you want, you can sing along. If not, sing your own song. This is for you. You ready? This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. I hope you enjoy your prayer tool. Thanks for listening, friends.